What's up, everybody? Easy DIY Coolaroo. Give it a 5-star review right now. So simple to install. Probably took 20 minutes. Just want to show you right now to my clients that are doing some do-it-yourself stuff. We've got this deck here that we now have covered. We're gonna put some cedar posts and stuff up later. I think it will look nice next to that white. But here it goes. Literally like 4 steps. We're putting in these screws here, 2 down there, and it's done. That is it. All right, very, very simple. So don't let it overwhelm you. It took me 40 minutes total to install both of these, maybe less. So hey, thank you so much for the popsicle, buddy. Atta boy. Anyway, know that Coolaroo you can get at Lowe's, and make sure when you read it, 95% UV block is the one that we got. They had other ones different colors. It was like 80% UV block, whatever. Kind of like this white. So simple. I give it a 5-star review. This is the 120 inch by 96 inch. So I got 2 of those bad boys. Hope that's helpful to if you have any real estate needs there, and reach out. Love to help you out. Peace.